windstorm, DLD. Kristen Boyd, go at a flat walk, please. July of 23. Cherry Acres, class 92, gated pleasure. Show me the glide ride. Ride your gate. Hop. Good boy. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Go, go, go. Bring it back to a walk. Reverse your horse, please. Go at a flat walk after the reverse, please. Better. You've got this. Get after him with that foot. Kick. All right. Show me your gait, please. Ride the glide. Hop. Woo! Go, Normie. Go, Normie. Go, go, go. Keep going, you two. Go. Kick him. Keep going. Kick him. Here we go again. Keep going, Normie. Keep going, Normie. Better, better, better. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you are on the rail. Halt. Back 5.